Have you ever had something that was repeated so many times it's just taken as truth? And then something happens and you wonder, wait a second, are you sure? This happened to me recently when I was doing some experiments and started to question what they say about water. Water is a great conductor. So I decided to do some experiments to test this a little more. In order to do that, first we take a digital multimeter. This will measure resistance. The lower the resistance, the better the conductor it is. Put the leads together, and you can see it goes down to very low reading. So these leads are a great conductor. Let's add in a piece of copper wire. This came from the wiring in my house to take power to the outlets. Test again, and look, it's a great conductor. You would sure hope so, right? What about a piece of tinfoil from the kitchen? Also a great conductor. How about a rusty old railroad spike? We test that, and no reaction. What if we sand off the rust, like I did over here? You can kind of see it's a little more shiny there. We test that, and we know steel without the rust is a great conductor. So let's take a glass bowl. We test the glass bowl. It doesn't, no reaction. That's not a conductor, that's an insulator. Or if we take the same glass bowl, add some salt. Still no reaction. So what if we take some distilled water? Just pick this up at the store. It's as close as I can get to pure H2O without spending tons of money for like some laboratory grade stuff or something. And let's see what we get. No reaction. Actually, what if we move up the scale? Still no reaction. Keep trying higher scale. Oh, there we can see it conducts a little. Not really. Keep moving up more. So that's about 5.5 mega ohms. Okay, 5 mega ohms, somewhere around there. That's 4.7 million ohms, which is extremely high. For reference again, just the glass, same scale. Perfect insulator. Then we can see water. And it's still going down a little bit, but it's still very high resistance. It's very much an insulator. In fact, I'm told that in chemistry labs, when they want to make pure H2O, the way they test it is to actually measure the resistance. So now what if we take in a little bit of salt, add that in the mixture. This is salt from an ancient seabed. So this is kind of like making a seawater. See if we can mix it in there a bit. Get it to dissolve. And wow, salin's a lot lower. Let's lower that scale back down a bit. Yeah, that's still better. We can keep going down though, looks like. Oh, no, that's too far. Go back up. So we're somewhere around 200 kiloohms, or 200,000 ohms for salty water, 300,000 ohms. So this is actually what got me. Water by itself is a pretty strong insulator, is not a conductor. They say when you add salt, the salt actually mixes in with the water, and then it starts to let the electrons free flow, and you can get some current flowing. But that's still not so great a conductor. So let's try something else. This is distilled vinegar, 5%. We pour this in here. We test it, and it's somewhere around where the salt water was at. Actually, it looks like it's getting better. So it looks like the acid actually conducts much better than the salt water, which would be like in your car. You have a lead acid battery. That acid is what helps it conduct really well. Let this keep dropping down. See how far we can get it. Yeah, you can see this is what, like 1/10 of what the 1/10 the resistance of the salt water. So it's about 10 times better. Oh, there's a bit of a glare there. There we go. There we go. Hovering around 20,000 ohms, or 20 kiloohms. Ah, jump to closer another scale and we can see it's getting even better. So around 17,000 ohms, or 17 kiloohms, 18 kiloohms. Now here's the fun part. Well, if we take the salt water, pour in the vinegar. Let's try that. Aha. And now it's even better conductor. Still, that's around 10,000 ohms, 10 kiloohms. So I really wouldn't call that a great conductor, but yeah, we can call it conductor. So there you have it. Water, not a good conductor. Or salt water, yeah, it's a conductor, but it's not a great conductor. Salt water and salt, that's a much better conductor. But still not a great conductor like your copper or your tinfoil. So thanks for watching.